They flooded out yet? Oh my goodness. It is. It's fucking underwater. What the fuck? Jeez. Dude. Oh gosh. Oh god, that's deep. That's fucking deep. Oh shit. Yeah. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. Look at this. It's like a fucking... It's like the dump. Oh my god. Look at back in there. I wish I could get back there to show you guys, but it's treacherous. These guys had to like leave. What the hell? Some kind of like army dress uniform or some shit. Well, I can probably go this way a little way.